Hey everyone, Allie here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful weekend. I'm back in my soap room today and I am making an entire loaf just for my mom. She loves the fragrance that we're using today and requested it specifically. And she also loves giving these bars of soap out as gifts to her friends and family. So we are ready to go. Let's mix this up. I'm making this easy on myself today and just using 2 colors today. So I'm going to go ahead and split my batter off in half. For the colors, I'm going to go with a white and then also a yellow. So you can see as I start mixing the yellow, it's kind of changing into an orange color, but that is nothing to worry about because it will morph back into yellow as it cures. The fragrance I'm using today is from Brambleberry and it's called Lily Lemon Drop, and it is described as a blend of lime, orange, lemon, lily, and verbena with base notes of sugar, mint, and musk. It smells very lemony but kind of like a sugary lemony, so it's really great. For the design today, I decided to try a wall pour. So that involves just pouring down the wall of the soap mold with each color and just keep layering them on top of each other. I'm just going to go ahead here and scrape out the remaining batter from our containers, and then we will design the top. Here is our finished soap top. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna go ahead and put this to sleep for 24 hours and we will be back for the cut tomorrow. We are back 24 hours later, and just as promised, our orange soap batter turned back into yellow. It looks so good and it smells amazing. I can't wait to cut this and see what it looks like inside. And here is our first bar. What do you guys think? I absolutely love the way it came out. Those stripes are so cute. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the making of Lemon Drop. If you did, please go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.